Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use super to access variables of the base class. The variable reference super can be used to access a variable or method from the base class. This situation normally occurs when a drive class defines variables and methods with the same name as the base class. So let's see example. We have this employee class, and here we have instance variable name. Then we have another class programmer. It extends employee. It also has instance variable name. And we are going to have a function set names. Void set names. We are going to assign value to instance variable name defined in employee by using a super. Use super dot name and set it to employee. And now we are going to assign value to instance variable name defined in our this programmer class. So we can use this dot name and set to programmer. Now we are going to add another function, print names, to print the names. So we are going to print value of instance variable name defined in employee first. So this will be system dot we use super dot name. Same way we are going to print for name value of instance variable name defined in our programmer class. For this we use this dot name. Now we are going to test in our test super class in void static void main. And here we are going to create an object of class programmer. And call set names to set names. And then we are going to call print names. and now we get the super and the programmer instance name value. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Simcode. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.